Hi, I'm Dan Cortopassi. Nicole and I recently took a day trip to Roaring Camp. If you're not familiar, Roaring Camp's in Felton, California, and they have two different train rides that you can take. One is the diesel-powered standard gauge beach train, which goes from Felton down to Santa Cruz and back, and the other is the narrow gauge steam train ride up the mountain. Nicole and I took the steam train ride, and we also got to see a model railroad exhibit that they had there that day. So we're going to start with the steam train ride, and Nicole actually took a lot of this footage, and I think she did a great job on it.
Happen to be the tallest species of any living thing on this entire planet. The current record holder, the Hyperion giant, was measured last year with a height of 385 feet. To put that into perspective, that is over twice the length. Big green locomotive up there. And then look back to the very last car. That locomotive up there is currently 17 feet higher in elevation than this last car. After he lines us in the other direction, we'll hop back on. Send this train continue normal forward direction.
So the back of the train has now become the front of the train. As we push up this hill in the first part of the switchback. We have made it all the way to the back. stop at a huge wall, you guys, and they throw another switch, and we're gonna move forward again.
His name is Doug.
And there's the switch, you guys.
This job started flowing quickly for all the crossings.
They hit that little switch, and now we're gonna go up instead of back down the way we came.
This train has been moved.
There's the track we came backwards up.
To make this train slow down and stop. What is most important though is to make sure that the locomotive bearing the leading surfaces are properly lubricated. Now this locomotive can continue to operate the generator.
At the top of the hill, the train pauses for a few minutes so passengers can get out and walk around. Minus 5 points for the coupler heights not matching.
We're now heading down the back part of this wonderful sea. I still hope someday they fix the trestles, but this is still a lot of fun to do a back switch. Here we are at the end of the switchback, you guys. As you can see, the tracks just end here because we are getting ready to go forward and head down the hill. It was nice being the front of the train for a minute.
Notice not a single tree on that hillside over there.
Roaring Camp has an event space called Bret Hart Hall, which is coincidentally where Nichole and I had our wedding reception back in 2019. On the day we were there, they had an On30 Modular group with a layout set up that was pretty cool, so let's take a look at it. Nichole and I had a lot of fun that day. We hope you had fun coming along with us and taking a look at the steam train ride and the modular layout that we saw. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.